Welcome back to the firing line, Patriots. I am ND, and I have spent the better part of my life smelling burnt powder and brass. If there is one conversation I have every single week at the range, it is about money. Inflation is hitting everyone extremely hard right now. Gas prices are through the roof. Putting food on the table is an uphill battle for everyday Americans, and a lot of folks genuinely believe that defending their home requires taking out a second mortgage to afford a premium firearm. Let me stop you right there. Your Second Amendment rights do not care about your tax bracket. Personal protection is an absolute non-negotiable human right. 15 years ago, if somebody asked me for a budget pistol, I would have handed them a rusted piece of junk. We used to deal with gritty, heavy triggers and barrels that could not hit a target from 5 yards away. But the industry has completely shifted. Modern manufacturing and tight CNC machining have totally leveled the playing field. I have personally pushed thousands of rounds, both target loads and premium defensive hollow points, through budget-friendly platforms. I wanted to find out what actually survives a punishing range session when the adrenaline is pumping. So today we are diving deep into the top 10 life-saving handguns under $300. Whether you are looking for a reliable truck gun or your very first concealed carry piece, these 10 platforms will not let you down. Let us get down to business. Number 10. Ruger Wrangler. Starting off our list at number 10, we have a literal blast from the past. This is the Ruger Wrangler. In today's tactical market, everyone is obsessed with mounting red dots and heavy flashlights on black polymer frames. Ruger took a completely different approach. They gave us a single-action revolver that practically begs you to slow down and focus on the fundamentals. I use this exact model when I am teaching first-time shooters how to overcome recoil anticipation. Because it is a single action, you have to physically cock the hammer backward for every single trigger pull. It forces the shooter to breathe, acquire the front sight, and deliberately squeeze. The frame is forged from a tough aluminum alloy, wrapped in a protective Cerakote finish. That means it will survive being tossed in a damp range bag, far better than traditional blued steel. It is chambered in .22 long rifle. You can literally run drills all afternoon for the price of a cheap lunch. The 4.62-inch barrel points incredibly naturally in the hand. And because Ruger utilizes a modern transfer bar safety system, you can carry it fully loaded with 6 rounds without the fear of an accidental discharge if you drop it on the concrete. Loading a single-action cylinder takes time, so I would never recommend this as your primary bump-in-the-night defense tool. But for under $230, this is an absolute workhorse. It is the perfect trainer and a fantastic piece of hardware to pass down to the next generation. Number 9. Tisas PX9 Gen 3. Sliding into the number 9 spot, we have a striker-fired 9mm that is making the big-name manufacturers sweat. Meet the Tisas PX9 Gen 3. This Turkish import clearly took some heavy inspiration from the Springfield XD line and the SIG P320. But Tisas actually elevated the design. Right out of the cardboard box, you are getting a slide equipped with an optics cut. That means you can mount a modern red dot sight without handing your slide over to a custom machine shop. It also features a premium cold hammer forged barrel. When I ran this through a 2-day tactical pistol course, the 18-round capacity kept me in the fight long after the other guys had to stop and reload. The ergonomics are fully customizable. They ship this gun with an array of side panels and back straps, offering you 27 unique grip combinations. You simply do not see that level of custom fitting on handguns under $600. The slide is treated with a rugged nitride coating to fight off sweat and humidity, and the trigger offers a surprisingly short reset for fast, accurate follow-up shots. The only real hurdle here is finding a dedicated molded Kydex holster. You might have to search around online to find a perfect fit, but for roughly $250 to $290, an optics-ready duty pistol with 18 rounds on tap is an absolute steal. Number 8. KelTec P17. At number 8, we have a pistol that redefines what a lightweight trainer can be. This is the KelTec P17. KelTec did not design this to be a heavy, heirloom-quality safe queen. They built a high-capacity practice tool that weighs under a single pound when fully loaded. I keep one of these in my hiking pack because it adds virtually zero weight to my gear. It comes from the factory equipped with a highly visible fiber optic front sight. It even includes a threaded barrel adapter straight out of the box. If you live in a free state and own a suppressor, this thing is ready for whisper-quiet backyard target practice on day one. But the real magic is the magazine design. KelTec managed to squeeze 16 rounds of .22 long rifle into a flush-fitting grip. That is a tremendous amount of rimfire firepower in an incredibly compact package. Now, let me be totally transparent with you guys. It is a KelTec, meaning the polymer frame uses a clamshell design held together by visible screws. It does not have the premium weighted feel of a machined steel pistol. And, like almost every rimfire semi-auto on the planet, it needs a break-in period and heavily prefers high-velocity ammunition. But the MSRP sits at just $199. Walking out of a gun shop with a 16-round suppressor-ready trainer for under $200 is a legendary value. Number 7. SAR B6. Taking the number 7 position, we are looking at a platform with undeniable combat pedigree. This is the SAR B6. Manufactured by Sarsılmaz, the very same company that supplies the Turkish armed forces, this is a polymer-frame descendant of the iconic CZ75. If you know anything about the CZ75, you know about the slide design. The slide rides on rails located inside the frame rather than wrapping around the outside. This engineering choice drastically lowers the bore axis. When I push this gun fast on a timer, the recoil impulse drives straight back into the meat of my hand. There is almost zero muzzle flip. It stays incredibly flat and fast during rapid fire. This is a classic double-action, single-action design. Your first trigger squeeze will be heavy and long, which acts as an excellent safety buffer under extreme stress. Every subsequent shot transitions to a light, crisp single-action break. It feeds from flush-fit 17-round steel magazines and features a highly durable forged barrel. It feels incredibly solid in the hand, like a true military sidearm. The downsides? The factory sights are standard 3-dot arrangements that are not easily upgraded, and you will have to order extra magazines online, as they are rarely stocked at local counters. But for a street price hovering around $270, you are getting NATO-spec reliability on a working-class budget. Number 6. Ruger LCP II. Rolling in at number 6 is the evolution of the ultimate pocket pistol, the Ruger LCP II. The original LCP absolutely dominated the concealed carry market, but let us speak the truth here. The original trigger pull was incredibly heavy, and the sights were basically just metal bumps milled into the slide. Ruger listened to the firearms community and completely overhauled the design to give us the LCP II. This is a micro-compact chambered in 380 ACP, specifically built for deep concealment. It weighs a shocking 10 ounces. I frequently carry this exact model in a sticky pocket holster when I am just running down to the hardware store in athletic shorts. It holds 6 rounds in the magazine. The most critical upgrade is the newly designed single-action style trigger. It provides a clean, predictable break, which is absolutely mandatory when you are trying to group your shots with such a short sight radius. The grip texturing is aggressive, giving you a solid purchase on a very snappy little gun, and the sights are finely raised and actually usable in daylight. Make no mistake, this is not a recreational range toy. It is a lightweight micro-compact firing a potent self-defense round, meaning the recoil is extremely sharp. This is a dedicated close-quarters survival tool. Usually priced between $260 and $290, it remains the absolute king of backup pocket carry. Number 5. Bersa Thunder 380. Our number 5 spot brings a heavy dose of old-school South American craftsmanship. The Bersa Thunder 380. This handgun strongly echoes the legendary Walther PPK design, but unlike the Walther, you do not need a massive bank account to put one in your holster. The Bersa Thunder has earned immense respect in the gun community because it utilizes a full metal alloy frame. In an era where every manufacturer is pumping out lightweight plastics, that metal frame is a massive tactical advantage. The extra mass absorbs a significant amount of the 380 ACP recoil. It is arguably the softest shooting pistol in its entire size category. It utilizes a fixed barrel configuration, which makes this gun mechanically more accurate than many of its tilting barrel competitors. The fire control group is double action, single action, complete with a slide-mounted decocking lever. This allows you to safely lower the hammer over a live chamber before holstering. The factory rubber grips conform beautifully to the palm. Because it relies on older design principles, it is thicker and heavier than modern polymer micro-compacts. Shooters with smaller thumbs might also struggle to disengage that slide-mounted safety quickly. But walking away with an incredibly handsome, reliable, metal-framed defensive pistol for under $300 is an opportunity you should not pass up. Number 4. CZ-P10M. Coming in strong at number 4, we have a masterclass in streamlined engineering. This is the CZ-P10M. CZ is a dominant force in the global tactical market, producing weapons used by elite units worldwide. The letter M designates this as their micro variant. This is a single-stack 9mm engineered purely for covert daily carry. When I first handled this gun, I was blown away by the exterior profile. CZ completely eliminated the external controls. There is no protruding slide release or takedown lever to catch on your shirt during an emergency draw. The profile is entirely slick. The flush magazine holds 7 rounds of 9mm ammunition. It comes standard with a cold hammer-forged barrel that will easily outlast the lifespan of the shooter. The trigger pull is intentionally heavier than the standard full-sized P10 models. Since there are no external manual safeties, that slightly heavier trigger is a deliberate safety mechanism to prevent negligent discharges during appendix carry. I know the modern trend is stuffing 12 or 15 rounds into microframes. 7 rounds might seem light by today's metrics, but the metallurgical quality and sheer reliability of this firearm are entirely unmatched. These have been popping up at online retailers for around $299. Securing true European military-grade engineering for that price is nothing short of incredible. Number 3. Stoeger STR9. Breaking into our top 3, we have a rugged workhorse backed by one of the most legendary families in the firearms industry, the Stoeger STR9. Stoeger operates under the Beretta Holding Group umbrella. That means the massive manufacturing infrastructure that supplied the United States military for decades is standing behind this pistol. They channeled that expertise into building a highly capable, budget-friendly, striker-fired platform. Dimensionally, the STR9 is nearly identical to the Glock 19, making it the perfect size for both duty use and concealed carry. It features a durable nitride-coated slide, aggressive forward slide serrations, and it even includes interchangeable back straps. Finding adjustable grip modules at this price point is exceedingly rare. The real shocker is the trigger pull. It is phenomenally crisp. I have shot factory handguns costing well over $500 that do not have triggers this clean. It utilizes rugged steel 3-dot sights and a flush-fit 15-round steel magazine. Now, the aftermarket support is nowhere near Glock levels. Finding a highly specific retention holster might take some digging, and spare magazines carry a premium price tag. But the core gun itself can easily be found for around $260. It is an absolute tank of a 9mm. Number 2, Taurus G3C securing the number 2 slot is the greatest comeback story in the modern firearms market. The Taurus G3C. If we were having this conversation a decade ago, I would have warned you to avoid Taurus completely. But their new leadership completely overhauled their quality control, and the G-Series stands as undeniable proof. This is currently one of the most popular civilian concealed carry pistols in America. It balances size and capacity perfectly, holding 12 rounds of 9mm in a frame that easily hides under a standard t-shirt. When you open the box, you will find 3 steel magazines included. That alone saves you roughly $90 right out of the gate. Taurus also machined the slide to accept standard Glock sights. You can instantly upgrade to high-end tritium night sights using the most robust aftermarket catalog in existence. But the ultimate tactical advantage of this pistol is the restrike capability. If you face a hard primer and the round fails to detonate, you do not immediately have to rack the slide and eject the round. You can simply pull the trigger a second time to strike that primer again. Under the stress of a violent encounter, that feature can absolutely save your life. The trigger does feature a long, spongy take-up before hitting the wall, which requires dry fire practice to master. The matte finish is purely functional and will show holster wear relatively fast. But floating between $260 and $290, the G3C represents the perfect intersection of reliability and affordability. Number 1. Palmetto State Armory Dagger Compact. Taking the crown as the undisputed heavyweight champion of the budget market, the Palmetto State Armory Dagger Compact. Palmetto State Armory operates on a simple patriotic mission. They want to put a reliable firearm into the hands of as many law-abiding citizens as humanly possible. To achieve that, they reverse-engineered the most heavily tested, widely used sidearm on the planet, the Glock 19 Gen 3. But PSA did not just lazily clone it. They fixed the biggest complaints people had with the original platform. The Dagger completely changes the grip geometry. It offers a much more natural grip angle, aggressive stippling right out of the mold, and scalloped frame cuts that let you forcefully rip out a stuck magazine during a brutal malfunction. It ships from the factory with durable steel sights, ditching the cheap plastic factory sights you usually see from competitors. Because it shares internal DNA with the Gen 3 Glock, you can use any standard 15-round Glock magazine. You can drop in aftermarket triggers, extended slide releases, and threaded barrel upgrades effortlessly. The trigger is your standard striker-fired pull. It is highly functional and dependable, even if it lacks a refined glass rod break. PSA packages this in a minimalist cardboard box with a single magazine to aggressively drive down the retail price. You can routinely catch the Dagger Compact on sale for an astonishing $299. For an American-made, fully modular, duty-capable 9mm, there is simply no better deal in the firearms industry. End of story. Listen up, folks. We just walked through 10 incredibly capable firearms that prove personal defense is accessible to everyone. From single-action rimfire trainers to high-capacity duty pistols, you have zero excuses left to leave your family unprotected. But here is the reality check from the firing line. Buying the gun is only step 1. A handgun is nothing more than a mechanical tool. Your brain is the weapon. If you take the money you save today and blow it on useless cosmetic accessories, you are completely missing the point. Buy the gun. Then immediately invest your savings into quality training ammunition, a rigid Kydex holster, and a professional concealed carry class. I have seen it 1,000 times during tactical drills. A dedicated shooter running a budget pistol will absolutely dominate a lazy shooter holding a $3,000 custom race gun every single time. If you got some solid intelligence out of this tactical breakdown, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next deep dive into defensive firearms. And drop a comment down below letting me know exactly what you are carrying inside your waistband right now. Stay strapped, stay dangerous, and keep your shots right in the 10 ring.